A very good morning, dear student. My dear student, as you know that at present, cashbook chapter is going on. My dear student, today we will learn a new topic. And new topic name is different bank account cashbook. Today we will learn to maintain the cashbook where cash column is more than one, because there is no one bank. If the number of bank is many, then according to the number of bank we have to maintain the bank columns. My dear student, this is a format. Now you can see this is a first, this is a date, and this is a particular, this is debit side, and after it this is LF cash. But in bank there is a two bank, SBI and PNB, Punjab National Bank. There is a two bank, that's why there is a two column. If there will be the three bank, then we have to maintain the three column in the bank column. Then after it again cash, particular means this is a credit side, my dear student, this is a buy side, the credit side, and LF cash. And bank, in bank there is a two columns, SBI and Punjab National Bank. So my dear student, if there is more than one bank, then you have to maintain the more columns of bank, and according to these columns you have to put their amounts, my dear student. Now we will come on the question. This is the question, my dear student. Question is this: from the following particular, prepared a cash book with suitable columns. Number 1, date is 1st March, cash in hand. डियर स्टूडेंट, कैश का तो एक ही कॉलम बनना है, 8500, बट बैंक बैलेंस एज स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया SBI, एंड आफ्टर इट ओवरड्राफ्ट with Punjab National Bank PNB. So there are the two amounts, state SBI, and this is the amount of Punjab National Bank. But Punjab National Bank ki this is a overdraft amount. It means this is a negative amount. So my dear student, SBI की अमाउंट टू साइड में आनी चाहिए बिकॉज दिस अ पॉजिटिव, बट PNB के लिए इन्होंने यूज़ करा है दिस ओवरड्राफ्ट वर्ड, दैट दिस अ नेगेटिव बैलेंस, तो इट विल कम इन द क्रेडिट साइड. So my dear student, now we will see that if we will come on the question, then easily we can check. Then in the two side we will write two balance BD, date 1st March. In cash column 8500, in bank column SBI column 25,000, my dear student. But not, we will not use in the Punjab National Bank because Punjab National Bank balance is overdraft balance. So in the buy side we will come, and now we can check 1st March buy balance BD, and now we will go in the Punjab National Bank column, and in the credit side we will write this amount 17,500, my dear student. Now we will come on the 3rd March. 3rd March is a cash sales, my dear student. Now we will come on the 3rd March. The date is 3rd March. 3rd March is a cash sales. Cash sales means at present you are selling goods on cash. कैश में सामान बेचना है, तो डेफिनेटली कैश कम्स इनटू द बिजनेस, एंड अमाउंट इज अ 7,000 रुपीज़. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, इफ कैश कम्स इनटू द बिजनेस, डेफिनेटली वी विल राइट इन द डेबिट साइड, इन द टू साइड. नाउ यू कैन चेक that date is 3rd March, two sales, and amount in the cash column 7,000 rupees because cash is come. If cash comes, then definitely you will write in the debit side because debit side is the positive side of cash. If cash is coming, then you should write in the two side, my dear student. Now my dear student, again after 3rd, 5th March is paid salary to staff by check on SBI बैंक के थ्रू हमने सैलरी पेमेंट करी है, तो डेफिनेटली बैंक बैलेंस गोज आउट, SBI से बैंक बैलेंस गोज आउट होगा 10,000 रुपीज़. माई डियर स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी विल राइट इन द बाय साइड बिकॉज बाय साइड इज अ नेगेटिव साइड, माई डियर स्टूडेंट. तो माई डियर स्टूडेंट, वी विल चेक डेट इज 5th March by salary, and because of salary the amount is going, but we will write in the SBI column because by check we are paying, and SBI check, by SBI check we are paying. So we will write the amount of SBI Bank, not Punjab National Bank, my dear student. This is a very important point, and this point we have to learn. My dear student, now we will come on the next point. Next point is a 8th March. 8th March is a check received from Anil, डिपॉजिट विद पंजाब नेशनल बैंक. जो हमें अनिल से चेक रिसीव हुआ था उसे हमने पंजाब नेशनल बैंक में डिपॉजिट करा. अमाउंट इज ₹9,000. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, इफ वी आर रिसीविंग द चेक एंड दिस चेक वी आर पेइंग टू द पंजाब नेशनल बैंक, so definitely Punjab National Bank balance will be increased. Then we will write in a two side, debit side, 9,000 rupees to Anil, and date is a 8th March, my dear student. So two side, in the two side we will write. Now we will come on the 10th March. 10th March cash deposit into SBI. SBI में cash deposit किया है, my dear student. The amount is, again we will check, cash deposit into SBI. Amount is, my dear student, 5,000 rupees. If you are depositing the amount in as SBI, State Bank, so definitely bank balance increasing. Bank balance increasing, so you will write in the debit side, two side, in the SBI column. So my dear student, you will write to cash because cash goes out 10th March. But my dear student, there is a contra entry because cash goes out. So my dear student, bank balance comes but cash goes out. So in the cash column you have to write in the buy side कि cash goes out. In the cash side cash goes out because this is a negative side, and you will write here by SBI. SBI के through आपका cash goes out होगा, my dear student. Now again you will come on the 12th March, my dear student. Now you will come on the 12th March. 12th March is the amount transferred from SBI to Punjab National by check. Amounted rupees 3,000. 3,000 रुपये ट्रांसफ़र हुए हैं. अमाउंट ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम SBI टू पंजाब नेशनल. तो पंजाब नेशनल बैंक का पैसा इंक्रीज़ हो रहा है, तो टू साइड में चेक करिए. तो नाउ वी विल कम ऑन द टू साइड. यहाँ पर आप चेक करेंगे टू साइड में पंजाब नेशनल बैंक में टू साइड में 3,000 रुपये प्लस हुए हैं बिकॉज दिस अ पॉजिटिव साइड. यहाँ लिखेंगे. और यहाँ पर माय डियर स्टूडेंट माइनस हुआ है SBI का पैसा 3,000. तो आप यहाँ पर माय डियर स्टूडेंट 3,000 रुपये SBI के कॉलम में लिखेंगे पंजाब नेशनल बैंक के नाम से. एंड डेट इज़ अ 12th. नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी विल कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ अ 15th March. 15th March द कैश विड्रॉ फ्रॉम SBI. SBI से कैश विड्रॉ करा, निकाला है 8,000. तो कैश गोज आउट. तो यहाँ पर हम बाय साइड में आएंगे और SBI के कॉलम में आएंगे, माय डियर स्टूडेंट, और यहाँ चेक करेंगे 8,000 रुपीज़ SBI के निकाले गए हैं. तो यहाँ लिखेंगे बाय कैश 15th. तो यहाँ पर हमने 15,000 रुपीज़ SBI की कॉलम से हमने विड्रॉ करे हैं, माय डियर स्टूडेंट. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, आप चेक करेंगे यहाँ पर 8,000 रुपीज़ आपने विड्रॉ करे हैं. कैश विड्रॉ फ्रॉम SBI से विड्रॉ करें. तो SBI के कॉलम डिक्रीज़ हुआ, माय डियर स्टूडेंट, बाय साइड, बट डेफिनेटली कैश कॉलम विल बी इंक्रीज बिकॉज कैश कम्स इनटू द बिजनेस. So now you will write the date. Date is a 15 SBI and 8,000 rupees will be here. So my dear student, this is a complete question, and now you will calculate the balance after completing this question. I hope you understood this question. Thank you very much, my dear.